Okay, let's take a look at this ceiling function. What exactly is the ceiling function? Well, technically the ceiling function rounds a number up to a given multiple. The cool thing is the ceiling function understands time as well, of which we'll see here in a few moments. For now, the big takeaway is to recognize the ceiling function always rounds up. In this example, here we have our employees, the time they spent on a project, and the boss wants to see these durations rounded up to the next 15 minutes, just to get a rough idea of how long they spent on the project. And you guessed it, we'll use the ceiling function to do it. Let's type out equal, ceiling, open parentheses, click on our time, type a comma, open quote, 0:15, close quote, close paren, press enter, and right there is the next 15-minute increment. From here, just copy the formula down, and right there you have it. Closely related to the ceiling function is the MROUND function. The MROUND function will round a number up or down to the nearest multiple. In our case, we'll have the MROUND round up or down to the nearest time we designate. Let's see our example. Here we have our employees, the time they spent on a project, and the boss wants to see these durations displayed to the closest 15 minutes, which means the time spent could be rounded up or down depending on the duration provided. Let's take a look. To solve this, type equal MROUND, open parentheses, click on our time, type a comma, open quote, 0:15, close quote, close paren. Excel will look at that duration and show us the nearest 15-minute increment. Let's conclude this module by looking at some various ways to quickly add the current date or current time to our spreadsheet. Method 1 is to type out equal now, open parentheses, close parentheses. Excel will show you the current date and time. Method 2 is to type out equal today, open paren, close paren, and that will show you just today's date. The important thing to note here is that these are both functions, meaning every time you open your spreadsheet, they will refresh to reflect the current time and current date. And the last one is to press Control semicolon. If you do that, it will insert today's date, but that date will be static and it will not change every time you open up your file. And that will officially end this lesson. We'll see you in the next one.